If Borderlands 4 won't launch or keeps crashing on startup, here are the quick fixes to try. 1. Verify game files. In Steam or Epic, right-click Borderlands 4, then go to Properties, then go Verify Integrity. 2. Update GPU drivers. Use NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenal. 3. Run as administrator. Right-click the shortcut is greater than Run as administrator. 4. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Steam, Discord, and GeForce overlays. 5. Update DirectX and Visual C++. Download the latest from Microsoft. 7. Check antivirus divided by firewall at Borderlands 4 as an exception. 8. Reinstall if needed. A clean install often fixes stubborn crashes. Most players solve it by verifying files or updating drivers. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes.